Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a triple unboxing of Gemini Jets and Phoenix models. And yeah, let's get straight to it. So yeah, this box is pretty big. Okay, I just lost my knife. So yeah, there are three models in this. I ordered it online from the shop in Malaysia, and yeah, I got a model from them before the Air New Zealand A321neo. Pretty good model. I waited forever for these models to arrive. Let me just talk about that later, but yeah. So this is just the outer plastic layer. Pretty tough. So yeah, this is the cardboard box, and yeah, pretty big. So yeah, let's open this up. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Aircalin A320. Let me just try and get it out. Oh, so yeah, all of it is in bubble wrap. Yeah, this is it. Pretty good packaging. Yeah, a lot of space and yeah, a lot of models. So here it is. So you probably already tell by the name of the video. I got the Phoenix 1:400 scale Aircalin Airbus A320. Cubana Ilyushin IL96-300 and an Air Mauritius A350-900. So I actually feel really good unboxing this. Let me just say why. If you in my Discord server, you probably know why. Basically, I ordered like 3 models online like about a month ago, a bit more probably. Basically, it was like the Aircalin A320, the Cubana Il-96, and Aircalin Airbus A350-900. So yeah, I ordered online from the shop called My Hobby House. It's this place in Malaysia. It's really good, cheap models. That's also where I got this All Blacks A320neo model of Air New Zealand. Yeah, I filmed a model airport update not so long ago. Yeah, that's why you see all the models. And yeah, basically, yeah, all those 3 models. And yeah, it's been like 3 weeks already, and then like I've been like, wow, are these models actually okay? Because like it's taking a long time to arrive. The Air New Zealand A321neo took about 5-6 days to arrive. No, it was 8 days, which was really fast. We chose the cheapest courier, which is Aramex, and yeah, we're very impressed, and the model's in good conditions. I highly recommend My Hobby House. Yeah, the models are cheap and really good quality, really nice stuff too. And also, while the models took a while to arrive, yeah, we kept emailing the shop to keep us updated. It was, yeah, they are really nice people. But yeah, about a month later, the models still haven't arrived, and then My Hobby House sent me an email saying, oh yeah, the Aramex lost the models, and we were like, oh no. But then they said that they will send the models back with no charge, which was super nice. I mean, they have a large stock though. They have plenty of Aircalin A320s and Cubana aircraft, but the Aircalin A350 went out of stock, so I got this Air Mauritius one instead. So yeah, okay, enough chatter talk. Let's actually yeah, review these models. So wow, the boxes are in super good condition. Oh, bubble wrap is pretty tight. Yeah. So yeah, this is the Aircalin A320. Super nice. can't wait to open it. And oh, I've been wanting to get this model for a super long time. Yeah, the Phoenix Ilyushin A350-900 Cubana in the hybrid Aeroflot livery. Yeah, it looks really good. And the Air Mauritius okay, A350. So yep, let's just zoom out. So let's first start with the Cubana model. Put these aside. Box is alright actually. Not really contrasty, but still looks really good. I really like the Phoenix models, yeah. The front, yeah, side. Really nice, yeah. Digitalized image and yep, 1:400 scale. So let's open it up for the very first time. Up on the side. Lift the flap up and oh my gosh, that is so nice. So yeah, this is the model in the box. Wow, the fuselage is huge. Let's get out of this plastic thing. Oh, pretty easy compared to other Phoenix and Gemini Jets models. Okay. Oh, okay, the plastic cover went flying somewhere. Don't worry. Wow. So I've been waiting forever to get this model. I'm really happy to get it now. And yeah, let's do some in-depth review. This is the nose. Oh, just focus. Yeah, some very small details that Phoenix has made. Very nice and looks a lot like an Ilyushin IR96. And you have an antenna above the L1 door. Cubana logo. Yeah, L2 door. You can see a lot of the Aeroflot livery on a lot of the aircraft and on the engines too. It was only like not so long ago that I realized that the aircraft is actually still in this livery today. Yeah, from the time of publishing this video. I thought it wasn't, but yeah, it's actually still in the livery. It hasn't been repainted in the original Cubana livery, and yeah, it looks super nice. That's why I really wanted to get this model. And yeah, you get the engines. I don't know what it's called, NCPC90 something. And oh my gosh, the winglets are huge. Let me just move it a bit. Yeah. Oh. And here's a registration, CUT1717. Then you have the L3 door, IL96 on that. Then the horizontal stabilizers, APU exhaust, and vertical stabilizer with the Cubana scheme on it. Undercarriage and engines are really good. Yeah, no defects and all in one piece. So yeah, I rate this model about a 9.75 out of 10. Phoenix has made an exceptional job on this model. No defects at all and such a good looking model. Yeah, I'm really glad that they made this. If you want a Cubana model, you should definitely get this too, and yeah, it's just wonderful. So this is a comparison between the aircraft and an A330-300. It's much shorter than the A330s, but the fuselage is actually much wider, which is good. Usually it sits in like a 9 abreast economy cabin, whereas the A330s mostly sit a 8 abreast economy cabin. So we now onto the Air Mauritius A350-900. Yeah, typical Gemini Jets box, but with a bit of red around it. Yes, pretty basic. Yeah, digitalized image. The back, and yeah, you probably know what a Gemini Jets box looks like. And let me just show you the inside. Pause now if you want to read this paragraph, and also if you want to see the details below and that. And yeah, you can just see the model inside there. So yeah, let's take it out of the box for the first time again. In this flap here. Oh yeah, okay. Slide it out. And here it is. Yep, okay. Camera's focusing, I thought it wouldn't, so yeah, sorry. And time for the hard part, which is taking this plastic thing off. Wow, that is a really nice model. Let me just put it down and zoom in. So yeah, this is the third Gemini Jets A350 I've got, well, the A350-900. I don't have any 1000 variants yet, but you know, it's a 900. And a lot of the big YouTubers who get to Gemini Jets A350 have its wings off, which is pretty disappointing, but somehow I've good luck with these models, and all the Gemini Jets A350s I've got have no wing problems, and yeah, all in one piece. Just like this one. Oh yeah, so it's pretty good. All in one piece. Well, I got this Gemini Jets 747-8 freighter, and both the wings came off, which was very disappointing, but somehow my A350s don't, which is good. So yeah, let's go review this aircraft. Here we have the A350 nose, the nose gear, the Mauritius flag right to the L1 door, Air Mauritius logo, L2 door, and a antenna, beacon light, just that red dot on top. And yeah, the landing lights, yeah, flaps, Trent XWB engines, and yeah, the large A350 wings, yeah, and the famous curved winglet, L3 door, registration, I don't know if you can see it, let me just move closer, 3BMKA. So this model is amazing again. Probably just a level lower than the Cubana model I reviewed earlier. I'm just gonna give it a 9.25 out of 10 because it's still in one piece and Gemini Jets made it well, and yeah. And now we're up to the final model, the Aircalin Airbus A320-200. Yeah, the registration is FOZNC. It could be right, I don't know, but yeah. The sides, pretty basic, yeah. I really like the back. Oh, I don't know if this is the front, I don't know, but yep. Very nice box. You may think the box is big, but it's pretty small, just like every Phoenix A320 model. This is the A350 box compared to it. So yeah, pretty small, but nothing wrong with that. Well, it is a very good thing because it's easy to store, and yep. Now let's get the model out of the box. So we just open one of these flaps again. Take this out. Wow. So yeah, in one piece again. Yeah, underneath. Oh wow, this is much harder. Oh, okay. Probably easy. Yep. So yeah, this is the model. Yeah, again, A320, just like, well, this is probably I know, maybe my 4th or 5th A320 in my Phoenix A320 fleet. which is already really big. They actually make super good A320s. I mean, it will be much better than the Gemini Jets A320s. I don't have one, but everyone says that the Gemini Jets A320s are bad, so yeah, this one is probably better. Yeah, so this is another A320 for my collection, and yep, just as good as the others. So yeah, this is the nose, yeah, A320 windshield, nose gear, L1 door, and antenna. And if you didn't know, like the Phoenix A320s have like 4 antennas on the model, which is actually a lot. I don't know how much Gemini Jets put on their models. Not many, well, the A320s I mean. Then you have the IAE V2500 or 5000 engines, I don't know. Yeah, the engines are pretty good. And yeah, you have the Aircalin logo and some flower, I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry if I offended you if you're from New Caledonia, but yeah, it is a beautiful model. And yeah, you have the wings, the registration again, FOZNC, the L2 door, the amazing tail. Wow, it's just awesome. Like, I like how Phoenix did it, super good job. And yeah, you have the vertical horizontal stabilizer, and yeah, the rear of the fuselage. So yeah, this model, I don't know, because like I'm used to Phoenix A320s, I have heaps of them. Well, I'll probably just give this a not a 10 out of 10, because I mean, first of all, it's a Phoenix model, the paint might rub off, I don't know, it hasn't happened to my Phoenix A320s yet, but yeah, well, my A320s, since all of them are Phoenix except one, which is some Qatar A320 here, which I don't even know who made it, but yeah. And yeah, 4 antennas, you can see the beacon line there, heaps of small details, which is fantastic. I might just give this a 9.5 out of 10. Thanks so much for watching this triple unboxing and review. These models are just superb. I recommend these for all of you. Very affordable too. I recommend you getting them from my hobby house. I don't know if they still have these aircraft in stock. Maybe they do, but I don't know. I mean, I'll try to get the last Aircalin A350, but since it got lost in the mail with the 2 other models, I had to get the Air Mauritius one instead, which I don't know if it is better or not, but yeah. The Aircalin A350 was also made by Phoenix, so I could have had a 3 Phoenix unboxing, but yeah, made by Gemini Jets. And yeah, had good luck with their models again, no wings falling off, which is really good. And yeah, fantastic model just like these 2 as well. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and yep, hope you have a good day. See ya.